I have two Christmas DIYs for you today. On the first one, I'll be using skewers, Christmas ornaments, and gems. And on my second one, I'll be using balloon yardsticks and Christmas ornaments. For my first DIY, I started by taking the cap off of a Christmas ornament, and I attached my skewers at the sharp end using Gorilla Hot Glue into the hole of my ornament. All of my skewers are the same length so that my tree will stand up. Once I attached my first three skewers, I stood my tree up and I slightly pulled my skewers to make a tripod. Next, I added a few more skewers around the neck of my ornament. And I made sure that I had enough glue so that my skewers would hold. Once my skewers were in place, I reinforced them using Gorilla Hot Glue. I checked to see if my skewers would move, and I applied Gorilla Hot Glue to reposition them. I checked to see if my skewers were steady. Then I attached gems to the tops of my skewers using Gorilla Hot Glue. Once I was done adding my gems, I took my piece outside and I spray painted it silver. Next, I made a bow using silver glitter floral ribbon that I purchased at Dollar Tree. Once I finally got my bow to work, I cut my tails using my scissors. I secured my bow with Gorilla Hot Glue. Then I used a tack to further secure my bow. I used Gorilla Hot Glue to attach my bow to my tree. Then I placed the gem on top of the tack at the center of my bow. Next, I attached gems of various sizes to my skewers using Gorilla Hot Glue. You can find the various sized gems at Walmart, Dollar General, or Hobby Lobby. Once I was done adding my gems to all of my skewers, this project was complete. Next, I'll show you my second DIY. First, I cut one of my straws to the length that I wanted. And I attached my straw to my balloon holder using Gorilla Hot Glue. Next, I measured my second straw to start my tree, and I cut my straw using my scissors. I used my second straw to measure the remainder of my straws. I cut my straws at an angle so that they would fit flush with my balloon holder. And I also cut the bottoms of my straw to make them all even. Next, I attached my straws to my balloon holder with a slanted end at the top using Gorilla Hot Glue. Once I added all of my straws, I reinforced my straws using Gorilla Hot Glue. Next, I attached a large ornament that I purchased at Dollar Tree to my balloon holder using Gorilla Hot Glue. Then I cut the neck off of a smaller ornament using my scissors, and I attached it to the top of my larger ornament using Gorilla Hot Glue. I attached gems where my ornament and my balloon holder connected. And this is what it looks like once I was done. Next, I began adding small ornaments to my straws. If you decide to do this project, adding more straws and more ornaments and maybe some ribbon through the ornament holes would look really nice. Next, I'll show you my tree once I was all done. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video or any of my other videos, you can support me by using the information in the description box. Or you can like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.